Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about the tool Fillet in AutoCAD. What do you mean by fillet? A fillet is a smooth curve between two objects. Generally, the fillet is defined by the radius. When you enter the fillet command, you can see the options undo, polyline, radius, trim, multiple. The same I displayed here. I am going to teach you one by one. So first, between two objects. So let us draw two objects. I am taking a line and now a circle. Okay, right now I draw a two set of objects. You can see that radius fillet. So as already I said that a fillet is defined with the radius. The smoothness of the curve depends on the radius. Click on the radius. Suppose if we need a smooth curve of radius 10, you can enter 10. Enter, and now it is asking select first object. So the curve should be between these two objects. This is the first object, and now select second object. See, now you got a very smooth curve between these two objects. And the same again, fillet radius already we defined it as 10 mm. So okay, select first object, select second object. You can see a smooth curve generated between these two objects. So this is the fillet. Suppose if you want to change the fillet in this side with some more radius, F, shortcut is R, enter. Previously the radius is 10, now I want to change it as 15. Now select first object, select second object. You can see the difference in the radius. So to ensure that whether it is correct or not, you can select dim radius. This is, see, radius 10. This is radius 10 and this is radius 15. So this is all about defining the radius. Now you can see one more option, polyline. What do you mean by this one? Now you can see this is one set of objects I drawn using the line command. When I place the cursor, it highlights as an individual. Now I am going to draw a polyline. This is normal one and this is one polyline, and one more polyline I am going to draw. Switch off the ortho. Yeah, see, this is the normal one and this is a rectangle, and this is a polyline which is of complicated shape. Right now fillet. Now the radius for this one I am going to define it as 20 mm. Now select first object. This is the regular one what we saw earlier. Just we can give fillet for only one. Now suppose if I want to give the fillet for all the corners, at that time again fillet, the radius the same 20, enter, and then polyline P, enter. So it is asking select 2D polyline. This is one polyline and this is the same fillet, polyline, select this polyline. If you see each and every corner we got the radius. So this is the advantage of polyline. Here it's a small line, that's why we didn't get it here. So all the four corners we will get it as fillet with a single one. So this is the help of polyline. At a time you can give multiple times for the polyline. And now first, before going to trim, we'll see the multiple. What's the importance of multiple? Okay, now on the screen you can see three set of objects. Suppose it may be more number also. So for each and every time you need to give filleting for different sections, it takes so much of time. So that's why fillet. So first define with the radius r. This time I am going to take it as 15 radius. Multiple, I am choosing as multiple. Now select first object, select second object. Again it is asking select first object, select second object. Again it is asking select first object, select second object. You can see at a time I chosen command fillet only once, but I drawn a fillet for multiple times. So that's the advantage of using multiple. At a time you can choose n set of objects to draw the fillet. So this is all about the fillet. Now the last option, as I said, trim. You can see now with one more example. Okay, suppose, okay, this is one line and this is one line. Now fillet, radius 10 mm, click on trim or T, enter. It is asking trim or no trim. Right now I am selecting no trim. Okay, select first object, select if you placing on the cursor, the fillet will differs. See, now I have given the fillet, but here still the corner lies. And now you see again fillet, trim. I am saying that trim. Previously I said no trim, now I am giving trim. Select first object, select second object. See, now in this question I gave the trim option. So once the fillet is done, the remaining objects will be removed. So this is all about the trim. And finally one more example I will teach you, polyline. Fillet, polyline. See, at a time got the fillet for each and every section. That's it guys.